the coconut ketogenic diet, where he basically suggests doing what I've been advising here. Drop the carbohydrates right down, increase the fiber with your vegetables, and he says begin by having 1 teaspoon of coconut oil 3 times a day, even build that up to a dessert spoon of coconut oil 3 times a day. Some people even getting up to a tablespoon of coconut oil 3 times a day. With this excess coconut oil going in the body, the liver converts this medium chain fatty acids to ketones. And ketones, as I told you, are neuroprotectors and they are neurohealers.
Do you want to turn back the clock without breaking the bank? The secret might be sitting in your kitchen. Coconut oil has been hailed as one of the most powerful natural remedies for keeping your skin youthful and radiant. In this video, we'll dive into how coconut oil can transform your skin, reduce wrinkles, and boost your natural glow without harmful chemicals or expensive treatments. We also talk about few steps of facial at home for radiant glow and clear skin. Smile comes automatically when you see your face after using 1 week. Whether you're looking to smooth fine lines or just want that healthy, vibrant complexion, discover why this tropical treasure is your best-kept anti-aging secret. Stay tuned, your skin will thank you. Did you want to know top 3 benefits and uses of coconut oil? Here are a simple natural secrets for glowing, healthy and better skin for any season. There's a secret that the wives of natural health doctors have known for decades. It's a simple, natural remedy, hidden in plain sight, right in their kitchens, but it holds the power to transform intimate health in ways most people have never imagined. That secret? Coconut oil. Yes, the same coconut oil you may have sitting in your pantry, often overlooked and underestimated. But for those in the know, like these women who have been quietly benefiting from it for years, coconut oil is so much more than a cooking ingredient. It's a natural treasure for women's intimate health. And here's the thing, you've probably never heard about this from your regular doctor or on TV. Why? Because this is one of those natural solutions that the mainstream often overlooks. But today, in this video, we're also uncovering the truth. By the end of this, you'll understand why coconut oil is the secret weapon you need for your intimate health, and you'll never look at a jar of coconut oil the same way again. So, what makes coconut oil so special? How can something so simple be such a powerful tool for your intimate well-being? At the heart of coconut oil is a compound called lauric acid. This is where the magic happens. Here are some comments who are beneficial by using coconut oil. When you apply or consume coconut oil, lauric acid gets converted into monolaurin, a powerhouse that's been scientifically proven to kill harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This is the same compound that helps protect newborns because it's found in breast milk. Now, imagine what it can do for your intimate health. Let's start with one of the most common issues women face: yeast infections. If you've ever experienced one, you know how uncomfortable and frustrating it can be. It's itchy, irritating, and can disrupt your entire day. And what's the usual solution? Over-the-counter creams or antifungal medications that sometimes come with side effects like burning or irritation. But here's the thing, they don't want you to know that there's a natural, effective alternative sitting right in your kitchen: coconut oil. Now you might be wondering, can coconut oil really help with yeast infections? The answer is a resounding yes. Coconut oil's antifungal properties are incredibly potent, especially against Candida albicans, the fungus responsible for most yeast infections. The lauric acid in coconut oil breaks down the cell walls of fungi, effectively killing them and preventing their growth. So instead of reaching for those commercial creams that may cause more irritation, imagine applying a smooth, soothing layer of coconut oil, a completely natural remedy that not only fights the infection, but also moisturizes and nourishes the skin around it. Sounds amazing, right? But it doesn't stop there. Let's move on to another common issue many women face: vaginal dryness. Whether it's due to hormonal changes, menopause, or even certain medications, dryness can lead to discomfort, especially during intimacy. Now think about the lubricants you find in stores. Many of them are packed with chemicals and preservatives that can actually make things worse, causing irritation or disrupting your natural pH balance. Coconut oil, on the other hand, is 100% natural. It's a deeply hydrating moisturizer that can be used as a lubricant, providing long-lasting relief without any harmful additives. It's like giving your intimate area a soothing, nourishing treatment while also protecting it from bacteria and infections. At this point, you might be asking yourself, is it safe to use coconut oil for intimate health? Absolutely. But here's the thing, you need to use the right kind of coconut oil. Look for organic, extra virgin coconut oil. This ensures that it's pure and free from harmful chemicals or additives. While it's a natural product, just like with anything you apply to your skin, it's always good to do a patch test first to ensure you don't have any sensitivities. But for the vast majority of women, coconut oil is not only safe, it's a game changer. Beyond just treating infections and dryness, coconut oil is also incredibly calming and healing for irritated skin. Whether it's from shaving, waxing, or just wearing tight clothing, irritation in your intimate area can be uncomfortable and even painful. Coconut oil can help soothe that irritation, reduce redness, and even speed up the healing process for minor cuts or abrasions. It acts as a natural balm, creating a protective barrier on your skin while allowing it to heal. And let's not forget about maintaining overall intimate health. Coconut oil isn't just a one-time treatment. It can be part of your regular routine for keeping things balanced and healthy down there. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties help to maintain a healthy pH balance, preventing bacteria and yeast from overgrowing in the first place. It's even been shown to help reduce unwanted odors, keeping you feeling fresh and confident throughout the day. A small amount applied after a shower can go a long way in promoting a clean, healthy environment for your intimate area. So, what can we conclude from all of this? Coconut oil isn't just a kitchen staple or a beauty product, it's a powerful natural remedy for maintaining intimate health. Whether you're dealing with a yeast infection, dryness, irritation, or just looking to keep your intimate area balanced and healthy, coconut oil can be your secret weapon. And the best part? It's affordable, all natural, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So, the next time you reach for that jar of coconut oil, remember, you're holding more than just an ingredient for cooking or skincare. You're holding a natural solution that can transform your intimate health. Now that you know the secret, it's time to take action. Give coconut oil a try and see for yourself how it can improve your intimate health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more natural remedies and wellness tips. Let's spread the word about this incredible natural solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.